Hello, I'm Dr. Sabine Egger, lecturer in German Studies at Mary Immaculate College. I would like to introduce you to Elizabeth Shaw, an Irish artist and illustrator with an extraordinary 20th century life story. Born in Belfast in 1920, Shaw spent much of her adult life living in communist East Berlin. She worked as a caricaturist for Neues Deutschland, the newspaper of the then ruling Socialist Unity Party. However, Shaw is much better known as an author of books for children. Generations of German children, also outside the GDR, have read the picture books she wrote and illustrated, which remain in print to this day. But in Ireland, Elizabeth Shaw has remained largely unknown, at least until now. What made Shaw's work such a success in East Germany? And how can we explain the ongoing popularity of her books? How are her work, private and political life interlinked? How has this influenced the way she has been perceived through media in Ireland and elsewhere? What role does her Irish background play in all of this? And last but not least, what answers can be found in Shaw's autobiography, Irish Berlin, published in 1990, shortly after the fall of the Berlin Wall, and in a recently found Stasi secret police file on her? To find out more, join me for my lecture on Thursday, the 23rd of February at 6 p.m. in MIC, followed by discussion with the audience and some refreshments. The event is part of a series of talks celebrating 30 years of arts and humanities at Mary Immaculate College. Looking forward to seeing you.